Hello all, I am coming up with a series which is called as World of Anthropology, whereby the syllabus of the socio-cultural anthropology unit-wise, subject unit-wise, I am discussing. In the World of Anthropology playlist of our YouTube channel, already discussed about 2.1 culture, 2.2 society, 2.3 marriage, and now today it is 2.4 family. So what are the topics which are present in the 2.4 family I am going to discuss, and this particular subunit 2.4 family worth about 15 marks. 15 marks will come in this particular unit. Very important unit. In second unit, kinship 2.5 is very important. Then the important is family and marriage. Then it is culture. Then it is society. So the family, there are definitions of family which is given by Murdoch, who tell that the people who got married and come together and stay under a single roof with social and economical obligation, and the children is having inheritance rights, that particular group of people is called as family. And there is another topic which is called as not only definition of family, there is also universality of family. Definition and universality of family. Universality of family means whether the family is in the same way everywhere. For example, we see the monogamous family, husband and wife with their children is called as family. We see polygynous families, husband and multiple wives staying together with their children, or polyandrous family whereby the wife and the multiple husbands staying together under a single roof, polyandrous families. So whether we can come, definition means what? Once the statement is given, if it is true, in the time and the space, means everywhere the same statement is accepted, everywhere, every time the same statement is accepted, it is called as definition. So that definition is universally valid or not. That is called as definition and universality of the definition of family. That is the first topic, very interesting topic. There is one particular tribal community called as Nair tribal community of Kerala, whereby when they get married, the wife will go and stay with her mother and the husband will be visiting the wife. When the husband is visiting the wife's house, he will be having sexual rights on her. But when he is not visiting, he will be staying with his own mother. In that gap, she have the legal right to have a sexual mate with any other person in their community. So in that way, they will not stay together, but that particular type of marriage relations or that particular type of relations are called as family or not. In that way, we will be proving whether there is a universally approved definition of family or not. That is comes under the topic called as definition and universality. And the second topic is called as family, household, domestic group. What is family? What is household? What is domestic group? Very interesting topic it is. Household. The people who all ever lives under one particular roof, who are not related by blood, who are not related by marriage, who are not related also but staying together is called as household. Domestic group who live in different houses but who share common social and economical obligations are called as domestic group, like tribal hamlet, rural villages, caste-based houses. Family, household and domestic group. Functions of family, there are biological functions, there is economical functions, there is cultural functions, there is political functions of the family as well. Political functions, yes. Sometimes within the family, the people will be having same political affiliations. So they stay more stronger. But sometimes the family will be divided. Like for example, there is one family called as Arvind Dharmapuri family, whereby the father is one political party, son is another political party, another son is another political party, completely divided. Whereas one family which is KCR family, whereby all the members of the family belongs to one political party. They are more stronger, like that. Family, political functions. Types of families from perspective of structure, whether it is a nuclear family or joint family from structure perspective, blood relation perspective, whether they are consanguineous or conjugal. Consanguineous means who are related by blood. By marriage, whether it is a monogamous family or polygynous family or polyandrous family or polygynandrous family. Residence, patrilocal family or matrilocal family or neolocal family or avunculocal family with respect to where they are going to stay after the marriage. Succession, inheritance, patrilineal family or matrilineal family based upon the succession. So various types of families are there. In detail we will be discussing here. Impact of urbanization, industrialization and feminist movements on family. Yes, because of industrialization, how the family system got impacted. For example, if because of industrialization, I want a job in the industry, then I have to go to the nearby city, then the joint families are present in the rural India. So I am coming out of the joint family system. So joint family system is getting impacted. For every industrialization, one case study, for urbanization, one case study, and feminist movements also. So how this industrialization, urbanization and feminist movements is impacting the family system. How the impact, whenever there will be a question called as impact, you have to decode it by social impact, political impact, economical impact and cultural impact. So because of industrialization, there is a social impact. Because of industrialization, there is economical impact. Because of industrialization, there is cultural impact. That is impact. In this way, the family unit is very, very important, my dear friends. If you have command over the second unit, which is 2.1 culture, 2.2 society, 2.3 marriage, 2.4 family and 2.5 kinship, 50 marks are in your pocket. So tomorrow in the World of Anthropology playlist, I am coming up with 2.5, which is kinship. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. All the best. Jai Hind.